In a crowded, warm room, a little girl is shivering. Not from the cold, the room is warm. She is shivering because she can feel on her own skin that no one in it truly loves her. Because in this universe, love is a temperature. You feel exactly how much you are loved as warmth on your body, and the unloved are cold all the time, frostbitten in the middle of summer. A child wrapped in real love radiates like a small sun. A person nobody thinks of walks around blue-lipped and shaken, even in a heated room, and you can no longer lie about it. A hug from someone who doesn't mean it doesn't warm you. It leaves you colder, because now you know. The polite "love you" at the end of a phone call either heats your chest or confirms the frost. For the first time, nobody can pretend and nobody can be fooled. But here is what nobody expected. Warmth becomes the most valuable thing on earth. The lonely start paying for it. Warmth workers appear. People who learn to generate real affection on demand and sell an hour of being genuinely cared about. The rich surround themselves with paid devotion and glow year-round. And a strange justice appears. A poor person who is truly loved is warmer than a billionaire who is only feared. Money can buy a substitute. It cannot fully fake the real thing. Then the cold starts killing people. Because this isn't a metaphor here. The unloved actually freeze. The forgotten elderly, the friendless, the ones who slip through every crack. They develop real frostbite, real hypothermia in spring. Hospitals fill with people whose only diagnosis is that nobody is thinking of them. Loneliness stops being sad. It becomes fatal. But here's the consequence nobody saw coming. You can only feel your own temperature, never anyone else's. So the freezing are invisible. Everyone walks around, privately, registering how warm or cold they are, and completely unable to feel the person dying of cold right beside them. A man basks in his own warmth on a park bench, glowing, beloved, and never notices the woman 2 feet away who is turning to ice because her cold doesn't reach him. In this universe, you can freeze to death in the middle of a crowd of warm, happy, loved people, and not one of them will feel a thing. The cruelty isn't that love is visible, it's that we still only feel ourselves. So here's the question this universe leaves you with. Right now, there are people around you running cold, and in our world, you can't feel it, so it's easy to assume they're fine. The warmth you could give costs you almost nothing, and to someone freezing, it is everything. So be honest. Who near you is quietly cold? And are you waiting to feel their temperature before you bother to warm them? This was universe number 12. In the next one, a universe where you can give years of your own life to someone you love, and the most generous people die the youngest. Subscribe. Someone near you is colder than they're letting on.